In Microsoft Excel, I show you a bunch of different methods to create amazing funnel chart. But in this video, I will show you how to create a dynamic funnel chart inside Google Sheet. Now, this chart is also totally dynamic. If I simply go on the first value and instead of 60K, let's say I'm going to change this to 80, hit enter, each and everything is totally dynamic. How we can create this amazing chart, I'm going to show you each and everything in this video. Consider I have two columns of data sheet. From this data sheet, first we need to create a helper table, and from this we need to create our chart. On the stage column, simply type equal, click on the stages, hit enter and drag till the end of your data sheet. On the middle column, simply type equal, select the actual value, hit enter and simply accept the suggestion. On the left and right column, on the first row, simply type 0. On the second row, we need to type equal, open parenthesis, select the first value, hit F4 key to log the reference, subtract this from the current value, close parenthesis and divide the result by 2, hit enter. And now simply accept the suggestion. On the right column, simply type equal and select the same left value, hit enter and accept the suggestion. Now we need to calculate percentage of session. So for this, I need to type equal, select the very first value, divide the result by the same value. But in this case, I need to click F4 key to log the reference. Now hit enter and simply accept the suggestion. And this is how we can calculate the percentage based on our actual value. Now our data set are ready. What I need to do, simply select all of my data set including percentage of session, click on insert chart. In this case, we need to change the chart type to, let's say, combo chart. The staking will be 100%. And now if I click on customize, click on series option. On the chart type, we need to select step area chart. Now we need to remove the percentage of session and some more setting. I will click on setup again. Here you can see different series. We don't need percentage of session. I'm simply click here and remove this series. Now we need to add data label on our chart, but the procedure is totally different from Excel. Here you can see 3 series. The left one is the lower one, the right one on the top, and the middle is the funnel chart. What I need to do, I will click on my left series 3 dot. We need to add a data label. And instead of stages, we need to add a middle value, which is a total count. Next, we need to apply on the middle series our data label. So click on the 3 dot icon, apply a data label, but in this case, I want percentage of session. Now I will click on customize again, click on this data label, scroll a little bit, and here you can see data label position. We need to select below position, hit Ctrl B to make it bold. For the text color, I need to select the dark black color. Now I will click on this data label. For the position, I need to select, let's say, above position, which is totally fine. For the text color, we need to choose a dark black color and hit Ctrl B to make it bold. Now the only thing, I need to remove the right and the left color. I will click on my right series, and here you can see area opacity 30%. We simply need to choose this 0%. Now again we can see this line. So here you can see line opacity 100%. We simply need to choose 0%. Now I will click on my left series, area opacity, simply make it 0%. But the line color in this case, we need to choose the same red color. And now if I click outside my chart, this is our chart so far look like. We don't need the legend, simply double click and hit delete key. We don't need the grid line, simply click. And here you can see measure grid line, simply uncheck. We don't need the vertical x-axis, but there is no option to delete. Simply click here. For the label font size, simply choose a 6 point, which is the lowest font size. For the text color, make it white. Now again, I will go up on the chart style, we don't need any border for our chart. Click on horizontal x-axis, hit Ctrl B to make it bold as well. And this is how we can create this amazing chart for our data sheet. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something useful. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel for more video. Thank you so much.